What's up, C Squad? It's your boy Daddy Seed. Welcome to the Daddy Seed channel. We're back with some Kick Talk, and today we are Kick Talking about the Nike Dunk Low Premium Bagel Sesame Dunk. It's a lot of names, right? Nike Dunk Low Premium Montreal Bagel in the Sesame colorway. But before we get into these shoes, do me a quick favor. If it's your first time here, make sure you ring that notification bell. That helps our channel grow, and it also keeps you on top of our stuff as we drop it. Also, if you've been here before, thanks for coming back. We are thanking you for the support. On the way to 3K, thanks for all the love and everything that's going on. All right, we're gonna get into these shoes. I'm just gonna call these the Bagel Dunks because the name's just too long for me to keep going over and over with that. But I'll say this. First off, you may notice this came in the regular Nike Dunk box. One of the big selling points for me, I don't want to say selling point, but one thing that made me really excited about this shoe was the special box that I saw from images as they got released early on with this shoe, right? The Montreal artwork, the bagels, the whole nine. Found out on drop day that that was a Canada-specific box. Womp womp. No boxes for us in the United States or any other. You heard somebody in the UK, they got the regular box too. So hit on these from a store called Bows and Arrows out in Berkeley, California. They alerted me on my phone. I popped in, was able to cop right quick. All right, enough of that story time of how I cop. Let's look at the actual shoe. All right, so the Bagel Dunk was very appealing to me because I just thought it was a dope looking shoe. And here we go. Wow. The Bagel, Montreal Bagel Dunk Sesame. All right, so here we go. We got some good leather working around this shoe, some colors. Is it making you hungry? That sesame seed bagel motif that they put on this shoe. Look at the bottom, that gum sole. I mean, ultimately, it's a really well done dunk, right? And of course, it has the premium name attached to it, which typically means they give you better upgraded materials. So with the Bagel Dunk, we got this, just start from the top down, we got this off-white kind of cream on the inside. Actually, you get a leather tongue, so that whole tongue is leather. So we're talking about the premium quality, right? It's not that nylon dunk tongue. All of this tongue is leather. So you got this all leather down the tongue of the shoe, all down here, right? You got the nice smooth leather. This is a very soft and smooth leather on the shoe. I'll just show you on the toe box, right? This is not your Panda Dunk, your regular dunk, you know, kind of pleather feeling situation. I love this Montreal blue. This is kind of what this color is called on the swoosh and on the heel, where you got your Nike, and you're getting this tan overall on the shoe, right? Two different tones. This color tan plus on the bagel, you got the sesame seeds. If you can see that close up, you can actually feel that it's more like it's raised. You can feel the actual seeds on the shoe. So you get those little bumps from all the sesame seeds all over, making me a little bit hungry. And then they gave us this kind of sail on the midsole and then that golden color on the bottom. So I don't know if the gold is supposed to be like a butter type of situation you put on a bagel. Some people like butter on their bagels. I prefer cream cheese. What about you? Tell me in the comments, what's your favorite go-to for your bagel? And of course, you got your sail laces that go with these. And I think overall, I mean, it's a very well done shoe, something that'll go with a lot of different outfits. Also, too, on the inside, you got a wood grain on that insole, on both of them. So you can see that. Wood grain inside, supposed to represent the wood-fired ovens that somehow in Montreal, they bake their bagels in these types of ovens. Now, Nike went all the way to Montreal for bagels. I would think they would have done like a New York bagel. You know, New York's known for their bagels. I don't know why they just went straight Canada specific. Couldn't tell you. But the shoe itself is dope. And I know the special box artwork that was all over that with bagels and the cartoons and everything, that artwork was done by a Montreal-based artist. So not 100% sure. Tried to do a little digging, some research on the motivation behind the Montreal bagel, or, you know, versus a New York bagel, or, you know, why Montreal, but wasn't able to find much. But overall, you know, I think the shoe is dope. This was my first actual cop of 2023. So, you know, coming off of Christmas time, it's time to take a little breather. Drops, of course, in January weren't super hype. I know we had like the True Blue ones, but those weren't really calling my name. And then I saw these, and then after seeing them a couple of times, I'm like, oh yeah, these are working. Nothing for what, 120 bucks? You can't beat it. I mean, this with some khaki, some jeans, some blue joggers, you know, some blue sweats. I think it's, you know, just a dope shoe. So let me know, did y'all cop? I know sneakers had a drop recently. Different boutiques had a drop. Any of y'all in Canada got that special box? Hit me on IG. I love to talk to you, find out what you think about this shoe. Hit us down in the comments here. If you have the box, I like to see a picture. Somebody shoot me a picture on my IG, @RealDaddyC. I like to see what came in that box as well. And I can feature that too on my page if you do that. But yeah, let me know what you think about the bagel dunk. You know, bagels, anybody? What do y'all take on your bagel? Butter, cream cheese, you like lox, salmon, all that kind of thing? I like all of that, to be honest, but I don't eat bagels all the time. But anyway, dope shoe, dope pair. Let me know. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.